And the stakes here are way higher than you might think. Just take a look at this real review from a customer, Debbie. She goes on vacation, comes home, and finds a total disaster in her backyard. But, and this is the key, the right expert, a guy named Nassim, comes in and turns that swamp back into paradise in just 1 week. That expert is a central figure in our story today.
To really understand where this AI is coming from, we have to go back to the beginning, back to a hands-on, reputation-first business called Optimum Pool Service, which, for over 10 years, was a major player in the super competitive market of Westchester County, New York.
And what this shows you is so important. Nassim's success wasn't just about skimming leaves. No way. It was about managing the entire asset. We're talking complex mechanical repairs, super detailed inspections for people buying a new home. His company became the gold standard because they delivered what people actually want: total peace of mind. I mean, listen to that. That quote just says it all. When a customer tells you they will never use another company, you know you've built something way more powerful than just a service business. You've built rock-solid trust. This was the peak of the old-school hands-on model. But the whole industry was about to change. Right around the early 2020s, this massive wave of consolidation started rolling through the entire pool industry, and it created a whole new world of challenges and opportunities for local experts like Nassim. And this wasn't just a one-off thing. All across the country, huge corporations and private equity firms started buying up the best local pool companies. Their goal? To standardize a pretty fragmented market, make everything more efficient and scalable. The era of the small, independent expert was quickly coming to an end. This timeline really lays out the whole journey perfectly. It starts in 2009, spends over a decade building this amazing reputation. Then, bam, 2022, the business gets acquired as part of this bigger industry trend. And that leaves you with a huge question. What happens to all that knowledge, all that experience, when the founder moves on? Does it just disappear? Well, that 13 years of in-the-field know-how didn't just vanish. It actually became the foundation for a completely new kind of solution, one designed to solve that original problem in a totally different way. See, to build the right tool, Nassim had to nail down the real problem. It wasn't just about cloudy water. It was this concept called information asymmetry. It's a fancy term, but it's simple. It's like when you take your car to the mechanic. They know exactly what's wrong, but you just know it's making a weird noise. That imbalance of knowledge forces you, the homeowner, to always be reacting to problems instead of getting ahead of them. And that leads to this huge shift in philosophy. The old way, the serviced model, is reactive. You pay a lot of money week after week for someone to show up and fix whatever's broken. The new way, the managed model, is proactive. It uses tech to empower you, the owner, to stop problems before they even start, all for a tiny fraction of the cost. And this is it. This is the result of that new philosophy, LearnMyPool. It's an AI-powered platform that literally takes all the knowledge from those 13 years on the job and puts it right into your hands. It's basically democratizing expertise.